about 2 years since I've been in this house. It's a rental property. Last time I went, there was a capacitor, and the time before that, there was a bad thermostat wire connection. So let's see what we have this time. Yeah, capacitor. We had a 40 plus 3. One of them oddball things. So we're going to put a 40 plus 5. And only use the 40 side because it's already, there we go. Use a 40 because it already has a one for the fan. We just need a 40 on here. Have to put it in here somehow because it's sure not going to fit without falling through. So we got to tie it up, make it work.